Hello students, welcome back. Let's continue with exercise 17b, ninth problem. In this figure, the line ABCD is perpendicular to PQ. Then P and Q are the centers of the circles. You have to show that AB is equal to CD and AC is equal to BD. Let the point of intersection be O. In this circle, P is the center and BC is the chord. PO is perpendicular to BC, it is given. Therefore, PO bisects BC. OB is equal to OC. Now in this circle, QO is perpendicular to AD given. Therefore, QO bisects AD. Therefore, AO is equal to DO. Let us subtract the first from the second. AO minus OB. AO minus OB is equal to AB. DO minus OC is equal to CD. Equals subtracted from equals, the remainders are equals. So AB is equal to CD. Now we have to prove that AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Now we have proved that AB is equal to CD, right? Let us add BC to both the sides. What do we get? AB plus BC is equal to AC. CD plus BC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. 10th problem. AB and CD are two equal chords of a circle with center O, which intersect each other at right angle at point P. If OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD, show that OMPN is a square. OM is perpendicular to AB means angle OMP. In this quadrilateral OMPN, angle OMP is a right angle. So it is given that these two chords intersect at right angle. Therefore, angle MPN is 90 degree. Similarly, ON is perpendicular to chord CD, it is given. Therefore, angle ONP in this quadrilateral is 90 degree. Three angles of this quadrilateral 90 degree each. Therefore, the fourth angle is also 90 degree. Now we can call it a parallelogram or a rectangle with opposite sides parallel to each other. Parallelogram because PM is parallel to NO since the allied angles are supplementary. Rectangle because all the angles are 90 degree each. So rectangle is a parallelogram. That means opposite sides are equal. PM is equal to NO. Let them be X and X. But OM is equal to ON because equal chords are equidistant from the center. Therefore, OM is also X. Opposite side is X. All the sides are equal and all the angles are equal to 90 degree in this quadrilateral OMPN. Therefore, OMPN is a square.